So Sterling Bank, like most commercial banks in Nigeria, just recently launched their own shares. And in this video, I want to show you how you can buy these shares. If you still do not know why most banks in Nigeria have been selling shares in recent months, I already have a video that covers that. And if you're interested in the Sterling Bank shares, this video is going to show you how you can buy these shares using the easiest method possible. So the first step is to come to this website called the Nigerian Exchange Group, or the ngsgroup.com. So this is where you get to participate in public shares or even right issues. And if you come to this website, you have to register and then you have to create an account. So after creating an account, I already have a video that covers this, so I'm going to put that video in the description of this video. But this is a website by the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and all you have to do is come here, click on Get Started, and then you can register an account. You want to put all your information, and you'll be granted access. All you have to do is come here, click on Sign Up, and then put your information. I already have this information, and that's why it logs me in instantly. So once you are logged in, you are going to come here and you see all the shares that are currently selling, especially bank shares. And currently we have only just one from Sterling Financial Holdings Company. All right. Initially we had GT Bank, we had Fidelity, we had Access, we had Zenith Bank, and all of that. But those shares, they've since closed, and this is the only one we have right here. And one thing to note is that this Sterling Bank offer is called the rights issues, and the rights issue is just for people who already have Sterling Bank shares initially. So this is an opportunity for them to top up. All right, so if you are a new investor, you cannot partake in this. However, in my next video, I will talk about how you can buy all these shares that are no more open to the public, like GT Bank, Fidelity Bank, Access Bank, Eco Bank, and all these banks that have their shares or stocks listed publicly. So now, if you're already an investor of Sterling Bank, this is going to be important to you. And if you're not an investor, then this is not going to be important to you. So this is this deal size. This is how much Sterling Bank is putting up for people to buy, and this is approximately 7.2 billion naira, and this is the unit price. So one share or one stock is going to be sold for 4 naira. All right, so if you wanted to buy the shares, you just have to multiply the quantity you want by 4 naira. So this was launched on the 18th of September, and this will close on the 28th of September. So if you come here, view offers, this is where you want to view what this offer is about. All right. So now this offer, like I said, is only for people who already have Sterling Bank shares. And that's why you have this clearinghouse number and this registrar's account number here. All right, if you do not have any of these, then you cannot partake in this share. Again, I'm going to make another video that allows you to partake in this. Also, if you want to know how to get this clearinghouse number, I will equally make a video on how you can get it. But ordinarily, this is like your BVN number, and if you are an investor or you want to buy shares, you should have this number. Again, if you want me to make that video, just subscribe and tell me also in the comment section, tell me to make the video, and I'm going to make the video. So again, this one is the registrar's account number. So if you have the clearing number, you can just come here, click on the clearing number. This is my own clearing number. All right, and then you click on submit. Now, if you were or if you are an investor, or if you already hold Sterling Bank shares, it's going to give you the option to continue and purchase. And all you have to do from there is just to put the quantity that you want, and it's going to generate a payment link for you using Paystack, and then you can just send money to it, and then you have officially subscribed to the right offers. But I am not an investor. I do not have any Sterling Bank shares, and that is why when I click this, it tells me that I cannot participate in this right issues because my clearinghouse number doesn't tell them that I have a Sterling Bank shares. So again, if you have it, you will just proceed and then you can make payment straight to the point. So for me, I cannot proceed, but I hope this video has helped you. If it did help you, please like the video, subscribe, and watch out for my next videos. My name is Goodnoel. I want to talk about things like this. I just want to help share what I know about stuffs like this, and I hope that you like it. And if you do, again, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.